Hello. What is your name?
Julian.
What is your favorite color?
Dark green.
What's your favorite kind of chocolate?
Rainbow. Rainbow.
Rainbow chocolate.
Color brown.
Wow.
And
Pink.
pink. What's your favorite holiday?
Easter.
Really?
Yeah. Can I eat the tea time?
Same as
What about Halloween or Christmas?
yeah.
No, I like Easter.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I'm the one sister, it's a bigger sister. Shoo, smash.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Please, man.
Why?
Can I like to?
Okay. Who is your favorite auntie? Not her. Oh, he's really thinking about this. He's like, I don't know.
Auntie Mel.
Good job. And tell something about yourself. No?
Heard updates later. Heard updates later.
And this has been an internet. This has been an
Updates later.
no. This
Yeah.
has been an interview with. Say your name.
Easter.
Not East.
Yes, Easter.
This has been an interview with Julian.
Easter.
Current. Not,
Update.
No. Not
Current
current.
updates Easter.